There are many products available to choose car Bluetooth, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car Bluetooth from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lihan Bluetooth Car Adapter. If you are looking for a versatile car gadget, the Lihan Bluetooth adapter is a great option. It's designed to meet the audio and charging needs of modern drivers. The best thing about this gadget is its ability to stream music and handle calls wirelessly. It connects easily with various devices like smartphones and tablets through Bluetooth. Besides, it also supports USB discs and TF cards, giving you more media options. What sets the Lihan FM transmitter apart is its dual USB charging ports. These ports not only charge your devices but also include a Quick Charge 3.0 port for faster charging. This feature comes in handy, especially during long trips when managing device battery life is crucial. Number 2. COMSOON Bluetooth Car Adapter. We suggest you check out the COMSOON Bluetooth receiver if you want to upgrade your car's audio system to Bluetooth. It's perfect for drivers who want wireless music and calls in their non-Bluetooth cars. With Bluetooth 5.0, you get a strong and fast connection for smooth audio streaming and hands-free calls. One cool thing about this adapter is its CVC 8.0 noise cancellation tech. It cuts out background noise like traffic and wind, so your calls sound clear even on the go. Plus, it has a long battery life of up to 16 hours on one charge. Perfect for road trips. And you can still use it while it's charging, so you're always connected. Number 3. Nulaxy Bluetooth Car Adapter. Another product from Nulaxy is their Bluetooth FM transmitter, ideal for drivers looking for a versatile car audio solution. It features dual USB charging ports and a clear 1.44-inch LCD display showing call and music details, as well as the car's battery voltage. One standout feature is its Smart QC 3.0 fast charging port, which charges devices up to 4 times faster than standard chargers. This is handy for long drives when keeping devices charged is important. With Bluetooth version 5.0, it offers a stable connection for high-quality audio streaming, reducing disconnections. It comes with various LED backlight color options, making the user experience more personalized. The sound quality is generally good, with built-in noise cancellation technology to reduce road noise. However, some users might experience static depending on FM frequency congestion. Number 4. UNBREAKcable Bluetooth Car Adapter. Now, when it comes to reliability, a few brands offer trustworthy Bluetooth-enabled adapters. This one from UNBREAKcable is worth considering. It charges devices up to 4 times faster than regular chargers with PD20W and QC 3.0 fast charging. Perfect for long drives. With Bluetooth 5.3, you get stable connections for uninterrupted music and clear hands-free calls. The built-in microphone supports smart voice navigation for safer driving. The adapter's dynamic hi-fi bass boost enriches your audio experience with deeper, vibrant sounds. Plus, the ambient light feature pulses with your music for added driving enjoyment. Number 5. Octiso Bluetooth Car Adapter. Finally, we have the Octiso upgraded version 5.0, known for its efficiency and how easily it fits into any car audio system. With the latest Bluetooth version 5.0 tech, it ensures a stable connection for uninterrupted streaming and clear hands-free calls. This adapter also excels in charging, featuring a QC 3.0 quick charge port that charges devices up to 4 times faster than regular chargers. Plus, it has an extra USB port for standard charging, perfect for long journeys. A cool feature is its LED backlight, adding style to your car's interior and making it easy to use in low-light conditions. It supports various playback modes, so you can stream music via Bluetooth, USB disc, or TF card, giving you flexibility with your audio sources. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.